one step higher compared sa gate level modeling. Okay? So, naputing tawag ng RTL, which is short for Register Transfer Level, which is a combination of data flow, okay, and behavioral modeling. Okay? So, more or less, with RTL, we will focus on this part here, so data flow. Okay? So, with the so-called logic synthesis tool, we can use this to create gate-level circuits, okay, from data flow design description. Mas dali, okay, mag-create o i-synthesize ang actual circuit in the data flow technique. Okay? So, when working with data flow technique, okay, there are two basic forms of using your assignments. Okay, natay gitawag na continuous, na po tayo gitawag na procedural. Okay? So, procedural assignment are basically tied up to the use of variables. Okay? Whereas, ang kaning continuous assignment is for the nets. Okay? So, usually, when you use variables, ato man ni siyang isulod sa procedural statements. Okay? That means katong sulod sa initial, sulod sa always, nadira nakabutang ato ang mga procedural assignments where you can use your variables. Okay? Outside that procedural statement, ana nato makita ang continuous assignment. And this is clearly visible when you see this keyword, see assign. Okay? So, assignment consists of two parts. Obviously, natay gitawag na left-hand side, ug napod tay gitawag na right-hand side. Okay? So, murag programming. Okay? So, ang assignment operator is signified by the symbol equals o napod tay less than o equal symbol. So, basically, it's like an arrow actually, ang iyang representation. Okay? So, with the right-hand side, your expression that evaluates to a value to which the left-hand side value is to be assigned. And the left-hand side refers to that variable that can take one of the forms that is given on the next table, which is kani. Okay? So, kung magtanaw ta sa continuous o procedural assignment, essentially, halos pare-pareha ra jud sila o left-hand side. Okay? Nga pwede ma-assign. So, ang kalahian lang is that for continuous, specific lang siya sa mga nets. Whereas, ang procedural, intended for variables. Okay? So, in terms of bit select, part select, index, same ra gyapon siya. And you can actually also use concatenation. So, ganito yung gigamit ng operator for concatenation. Unsa to?
Last na sa.
Ha?
Last.
Concatenate. Ang atong subject ron ha, HDL, delay o OP. Okay, so we use curly brackets. Okay? Mura ginyuhang di-associate with Java. Okay? So, please take note of continuous assignment. Okay? So, this also serves as the most basic statement for your data flow modeling. Okay? So, stated, atuan na siya gigamit to drive your nets. And it is always active. Okay? So, sabot anak always active. That means, kana mga statement nimo na gamit o continuous assignment is always trying to check the right-hand side variables. Kung na mo change sa right-hand side variables, automatic iyaha dayon na siyang i-evaluate. Okay? So, manay pasabot na lang always active. And, what's pa man? As stated here, it can only update values of net data types such as war, try, and sa part 2, war, 1, and many more. Okay, but again, we'll focus simply on the wire type. So this assignment shall occur whenever the value of the right-hand side changes. Again, re-evaluate niya for assigning the updated value on your wires or registers. Okay, so in this example, as what you can see, okay, it's basically the data flow implementation of the problem that you have solved using gate level modeling. Okay, so kung magtanaw ka, naaday masayon day no. Okay, so masayon-sayon nga pamaagi. Okay, so of course kani this is also fixed to a 4-bit adder circuit. Okay, so as what we can see there, okay, ang concatenation operation dili lang sa right hand side di mo makita. Pwede po na siya sa left hand side, especially with this type of problem. Okay, so with this problem ang good, adding 2 4-bit number and another bit would give you a maximum value of 31. Okay, so di man na siya masud og 4 bits lang. So i-concatenate na to ang atoang cout, which also acts as an output. And it serves as the most significant bit para sa output nato. Okay? So, essentially, kabaw man ta, when you add A, B, and C, di man na siya masud lang sa 4-bit, overflow man na siya. So, adto na siya dawaton kang cout. Okay? So, essentially, di ba, when you use assignment operator, one thing that you should also consider is dapat pareha sila size. So, how do you perform continuous assignment? So, when you perform continuous assignment, typically, mo ni ang syntax sa katong i-follow. Okay? Ang keyword assign. Okay? Then your user-defined variable and then your expression. Okay? However, you can also use this syntax. Okay? So, useful kayo ang ingani nga syntax given that, let's say, ang imuhang user-defined variable na gigamit diri sa left-hand side is, let's say, related with each other. Okay? Dito. Okay? So again, as what you can see here, okay, you can also define your continuous assignment using this syntax. Okay, so no need na magsige ka of balik-balik sa keyword na assign. So again, you can use comma separation. Okay. So again, as stated earlier, we use this for nets. Okay. Delay can also be specified. Asa man na siya dapat i-specify ang delay. Okay? So, anhin nato i-specify ang delay. Okay. Simutan nato rin kay okay, di maminaw. 1, 2. So ito, margins man yun. Aksa yung margin, wala. Why kon guys, no? Wala yung tawag sa kani. Pero ang pika side niya, wala. Supposed to be, so naman to na kauban the speakers. Which is wala. So, asa siya dito? Anyway, basta expression na nadiri sa left hand side. Okay? So again, you can put an optional delay when applying delays on continuous assignment. So just like with gate level modeling, okay? Pwede mag-iapunta maka-assign ng delay by simply adding the open close parenthesis with 3 possible values between the primitive type and the user-defined variable. Okay? So again, we'll be exploring that later, kanang paggamit sa delay. Okay? So anyway, mga siya. So for continuous assignments, okay, take note, nets shall be continuous and automatic, meaning whenever an operand in the right-hand side expression changes the value, the whole right hand shall be evaluated, and if the new value is different from the previous value, then the new value shall be assigned to the left-hand side. Okay? So let's say for example, kung maggamit mo delay ba, okay? Before mahatag ang output nimo niya, suddenly the output also changes again, or rather the input changes again, i-evaluate na sa kanya. Dili niya kuwaton ang katong last nga delay nga na-compute nga maoy mo update for the final output. Okay? So kung may changes, i-re-update dayon niya before generating the final output. Okay? So with continuous assignment, napot tayo gitawag nga implicit way of using the continuous assignment. So usually when we define our wires, okay, we define the data type, then the variable name, and then when you use the assignment operator, you use the keyword assign, then the variable name. So pwede rin na nimo mabutang in one line. Okay? Ang pag-define sa variable at the same time using the continuous assignment. Okay? So, ting-ani ra guys, ang implicit. So, no need to put the keyword assign. So, si compiler na bahala na, or simulator. Okay? But usually, no, para sure ba, kana na lang nila. Okay? Para di malibog. Kakabaw ka, that's a wire. And you are using continuous assignment. Okay, again, daghan na kaitang mga rules nga hinumduman. Okay? So, again, okay, so that is for the implicit net declaration. Okay? So, kani 3 ways of specifying delays on your code. So, natay gitawag nga regular assignment delay, naapoy implicit continuous assignment, naapoy net declaration delay. So, this is the regular assignment delay na sa example na to. Okay? So, here the delay value specified after the keyword assign. Okay? So, after the keyword assign. Okay? So, this is what we call as the inertial delay model, and it is the default model. Okay? So, naman sa tika ito bitawag nato nga transport. Okay? Nga delay. But usually, in modeling your delays, kaniya ito ang follow ang inertial delay model. Yeah, again, some rules on how you will be evaluating, okay, the right hand expression. Okay, if there is a delay that is being added to your expression. Okay, so this is, as stated, this is how delays, okay, and your signals are being processed in generating the final output. Okay, so basahon lang nato. Okay, the value of the right hand side expression is evaluated. So of course, given that na ay nausap sa right hand side. Okay, so take note, in situations where RH operand changes before the previous change has had to propagate to the left hand side, this is the rule that we will be following. Okay, so again, kanusta ni siya mahitabo? There are cases manggod kung ang imuhang delay nga gihatag is taas ra kaayo. Nya sa input nimo na ay very short pulse nga ni-occur. Let's say for example, delay nimo is 10. Nya dito sa imong input naa kay pulse nga na-generate which is around, let's say 2. Okay? Time unit. So compared sa 10, di ba? Mapapas to siya ang epekto. So how will Verilog evaluated such changes on your right hand side na expression or the signal? So again, i-evaluate niya. Okay? So if the right hand side value differs from the value currently scheduled to propagate, okay, then the currently scheduled propagation event is descheduled. So that means ang previous nga na-compute, di niya ipagawas. Okay? So if the new RH values equals the current, the LH value, no event is scheduled. Okay? However, if the new RH value differs from the current value, a delay is calculated in the standard way based on the delay in Magyatag. Then, using the current value of the LHS, the newly calculated value of the RHS, and the delays indicated on the statement is utilized. Okay? So, the new propagate event is then scheduled to occur on the delay time specified in the expression. Okay? So, essentially, katong unang na-compute, dito siya ma-generate as an output. Okay?
Ito siya mag-floating, sir.
Di sad siya ma-floating. Okay? So, inala lang siya. So, again, example of net declaration in delays. So, kani guys, this is the transport delay, and this is the regular assignment delay, which is based on the so-called inertial delay. So, katotong ibasihan ganina nga rulings, mao na siyang i-follow aning inertial delay. Okay? So, unsa may basis sa data flow modeling. So, essentially natay left hand side ug naapoy right hand side. Okay? So sa expression nato, it is composed of operators and operands. Okay? So kung pila ka operators, of course, depende sa type of operands, or rather, ang number of operands magdepende sa operator nga gigamit. Okay? So naman tayo mga gitawag na unary operator, na binary, na apoy ternary. Okay? So depende, okay, ang number of operands. So sa operands, of course, it may consist of the following tokens. So natay constants, integers, real numbers, nets, and registers. So mostly we are working on this part here. Okay? So napoy time, bit select, part select, memories, and function calls or katong system function na ito ang itawag earlier. Okay? So, mo ni ang different operator. So, you're already familiar with arithmetic operator. So, something na wala sa C programming or any programming language, exponent, wala kanino. Or sa Python din, naanak siya. Then, natay shift operation. So, usually ito ang shift operation gigamit is kanira. Logical shift. Okay? So, dire, napod siya ay arithmetic shift. Okay? So, natay bitwise. So, natay problema na natay relational. So, miscellaneous, I think familiar na tani, concatenation, replication, conditional, na-discuss na earlier. So, logical, napunta na. Okay, so sa kalahian sa bitwise of logical, ang sa logical, 1 bit na ang output. Okay, ang bitwise, depende sa operation game mo perform. Okay, yan, napod dyan bago no nga term, reduction. Kung magtanaw ta sa reduction operator, pareha raman siya sa bitwise. Okay? Nya sa equality, napadyo gitawag nga case equality. Okay? Labad-labad sa uno, additional operator, maurag symbol niya, naglahi o gamit. Okay? So, additional na sad nga i-explore.
Naogon na sa structuring. Naogon sa structuring.
Structure o sa imuhang operator, operand ng gamit. Okay? So, later, ito na mga tignan. So, again, just like in C programming language, operators nimo has also their so-called precedence. So, ang pinakaubos o precedence is ang conditional. Ang pinakataas is ang unary. Okay? So, as what we can see here, unary, exponents, then your multiplication, division, modulo, followed by addition and subtraction. So, the typical endless rule. Yan ay shift. Okay? Then, kay relational equality, then the reduction, the logical, then lastly, ang conditional. Okay? So, again, operas in expression could be any of the following. So, I think familiar naman tani nila. Okay? So, constants in Verilog, again, could either be an integer type, a real number, or a string. So, I think this is just a review lang, guys. Ato lang ning skipan kay kuman naman tani o discussed previously. So, pan lang ni siya kanang refresh lang kaso nakalimot mo unsa ning mga operands na pwede magamit. Okay? So here's another operator na isgutan ganina, ang bitwise operator. So take note, bit by bit operation ang iyang i-perform. Okay? So when you have a z input, it will be treated just like an x, a bitwise operation. Okay? So the shorter operand here is 0 extend to match the length of the longer operand. Okay? So take note, 0 extend. Okay? So pasabutan na. So let's say na and ka, 5 ka and. Gi-and di mo og 3 bit nga tuluray na 1. So, i-extend niya ang 0 sa most significant. So, kani, 31 and 7, ang result, unsa man? and 7. I-visualize, 31, gi-and di mo. 7. Ito, compute ko. Okay, basta ang gani, kung unsa to'y smallest value, diba, mo na yung prevail. Okay? So, mo na ang ato ang mga bitwise operator. So, take note lang sa exclusive NOR. Kaya pwede ra siya bali-bali. Pwede maguna ang tilde, then ang caret sign, or pwede po ang caret sign, then ang tilde. Okay? So, i-try niya ninyo guys. Okay? I-try tanang possible combination. So far, when you do your truth table, ang inyong harang gamiton is 0 ug 1. Okay? So, i-try sa niya og generate ang x ug ang z. What will be the result if you perform AND with x and with the value of 0 and 1? Or what will be the value of the operation AND when, let's say for example, i-ANDing mo si x of x or si x of z. Okay? So, i-check yan and see. So, again, here is an example of a multiplexer that has been created using data flow technique. Okay? So, inyo harapang ma-imagine how we come up with this one? Kung iksamon tamuron, so again, take note, S0 and S1 here are your decoder. So na kay combination nga 0, 0, di ba? 0, 1, 1, 0, o 1, 1. And then the AND na siya with the data input 0, 1, 0, I0, I1, I2, and I3. I3 referring to this combination where S1 and I0 are I. Okay? Kay needed pa ba ni truth table? Dapat dilid na. Okay? Kaya nga naman, again, the multiplexer is a commonly used CLC. So, meaning nanay katang gitawag nato nga design pattern. Nga hopefully by now, inyuha na nang na-internalize. Kay bisan niya during exam, no, pahimonox kana, commonly used CLC. Nya pila gud ni kabuk input S0, S1 nya I0, I1, I2, I3. So na 6 kabuk inputs ayo kay nga mag k-mapping pa mo ana sayo kay mo human. Okay? So again, ang importante yan is sabto ninyo how the data flows. Okay? So kani kung i-simplify nato, okay? Actually, it's a combination of a decoder, di ba? An array and an OR gate. Okay? Kung sa gamit sa AND array, siya mo help o facilitate kung kinsa sa mga data input ang mulusot base sa selected output sa decoder. Okay? So, mauna si multiplexer. So we also have here arithmetic operators. Okay? So, kung sa may hindi familiar na to, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, and exponent. Okay? So, this is a type that actually makes use of two operands. Okay? So, basically the base, then the exponent. So, again, concatenation operation, familiar na money. Okay? So, replication operation. Okay? So, that has already been discussed. So, here is an example of us using the arithmetic operators. Okay? So, dako jud kayo siya maitabang. Okay? Sir, pwede ra ba gihapon na siya gamiton nato isang expression? Okay? Yes, you can use the expression base ani. Diba? But mura ra pud gihapon mo nag unsa? Okay? Ang tendency mura ra pud gihapon ga gate leveling ato. Okay? Kay inyo ang gi-define ang operation sa other circuit with logic expression. Though pwede man, di ba? You can just simply say sum is equal to X, X or Y. Okay? Yeah, C out is pairwise. And okay. So, wala siya. But dere, of course, kasabot man ta how other circuit works. So, we simply makes use of arithmetic operator. Okay? So, again, tigtanaw na to na simple kayo siya. Okay? And it doesn't actually gives you the idea of how it was actually constructed. Okay? Based on circuit level implementation. Okay? So, in your case, wala ray kaso kay kabaw naman mo how full adder circuit works. Okay? So, sometimes case-to-case basis kung unsay unang mo register sa inyong auto. Okay? So, since you were fully immersed into the use of Boolean expression when defining a circuit, pabor na ninyo. Okay? But for those nga, let's say for instance, walay background, okay, in logic circuits, this is how they see how full adder circuit works. Nga na ay Augen, nay adden, nay carry. Then, ang result is sum and carry. Okay? So, in a way, mura po siya behavioral approach. Okay? Kay algorithm ang gibasihan. Okay? So, ay multiply and accumulate unit. Okay? Or the so-called map. So, unsa may gibuhat na niya. So, na ay 8-bit. Okay? Which is multiplied ang value ng x and y niya giadan sa another 8-bit which is C. Okay? So, ang result is a 15-bit value. Okay? Or rather, 16-bit value. Okay? So, of course, kung magtanaw ka dere, di ba? 8-bit o 8-bit. What would be the biggest value na pwede nimong makuha with 8 bits? Okay? So, that would be, let's say, 255 plus 255 times 255. Okay? Calculator. Malapan tas calculator. And okay, nasa
65,055, sir.
Okay. So, pagtanaw ka, this is the result. 65,000. So, kung tanaw na nimo, di ba, wala pa na siya mapuno. So, meaning, capable pa ka maka-add of 8 bits. So, plus 255. Okay? So, mo niyang makuha. Which is, again, kung magtanaw ka, wala ray problema. Supported ra sa result. Okay? So, mo na ang resulta, guys. So, again, it requires 16 bits. Okay? So, mo na sa day bantayanan ninyo. Okay? When you do multiplication, okay, ang i-assign nimo nga size for the output, okay, magbase sa number of bits sa ibang multiplier o multiplicand. Okay? Okay, let's say for example, nakoy 8-bit. Okay? I-multiply na ko with 4-bit. So, this is F. Okay? Pila man ka bits ang required for the output. Okay? So, kung magtanaw na dire, pila. Okay? So, natay 12. Okay? So when we do multiplication there, we ensure that the number of bits for the output is basically equal to the number of bits sa multiplicand ug sa operand. You simply add them up. Okay? So, mo na ang giyang ibasihan diri guys. Okay? So, when doing multiplication and addition, okay, to define pilay value sa result, i-compute na siya diri. Okay? So, more examples. So, napa-example wherein nagamit o signed and unsigned values. Okay? So, as you can see here. So, again, examples na nagamit o vectors. Okay? So, as you can see, implicitly, y data type, kung sa'yo sasagutan ni wire. Okay? So, that is the wire.
Wire.
So, let's look at this example here, guys. Okay? So, this is an example of a 2-bit, or rather a 4-bit 2's complement adder. Okay? So, how does 2's complement work, Gani? Again? Okay? 1's complement. And how do we get the 1's complement of a number? Invert. Then you add 1. So, that is how you get the 2's complement of the number. Okay? So, tanaw natin diri. Again, we have the input. Okay? X and Y, which is 4-bit, and another input, 1-bit na Cin. Okay? Then, for the output, we have the sum and the carry out. Okay? So, na additional wires na upat put. Okay? So, how does this work? Okay? So, kung mag-time out sa circuit, okay, we have here a diagram showing na ang Y ipaagi og XOR. Okay? Para unsa din ng XOR. Okay? So, mao na yung serve as okay, pang-invert no? Okay? So, si Cin, so may gibuhat diri. Ang output, gibutang o T, which is 4-bit. Okay? So, this is the output T over here, kanina. Okay? Which is a result of replicating Cin 4 times, yeah, the XOR with Y. Okay? Unya, kung sa'y sunod gibuhat. Okay? Isam ang X o Y na complemented. Okay? And then, ang result, so may nahitabo sa result. Gilabay kang sum, niyang extra, which is ang carry, dito ka C. Okay? So, usually when we do 2's complement, kung anong mong tanong? 1. Yeah? Repeatedly 4 times. Or you can actually just put in there kung naka 1 si Cin, okay, so this acts as an inverter. Okay? So basically it's like performing subtraction operation. But here, when you talk about complements, there's no such thing as subtraction. Addition lang. So, muna guys, ang gamit sa ato ang mga arithmetic operators. Okay? So napo tay reduction operator. So unsa man ang reduction operator? It is used to perform on one vector operand. Okay? So unlike bitwise operator, usa ra ka operand ang gamiton dire. Sa bitwise, duha man. Okay? So carry out a bitwise operation on single vector operand and yield a 1-bit result. So meaning kung na kay 8 bits na operand, ang final result na niya mahimo na lang 1 bit. Okay? So it works by bit by bit from left to right. Okay? So from left to right, that means from the most significant bit towards the least significant bit. Okay? So let's look at this example. Okay? We have here an input X. Okay? Which is how many bits? 9 bits. Okay? So natay output, ipanganlan of F of O. Okay? So sige buhat dire with the input X, gigamitan o XOR. Okay? So manong gi-XOR man. Okay? So basically that's an algorithm to perform a so-called even parity generator. Okay? Unsa din ang even parity generator? Okay? So if you try to solve a problem like this, makita ninyo ang implementation na niya is XOR operation. Okay? So you can do that algebraically. Okay? So ayon na lang sa hutda ang kanang 9 bits. You can try it out with 3 bits pa rin. Okay? Sige, i-try yung 3 bits. So 3 bits ang input, niya na kay output nga 1 bit. Okay, and this 1 bit na output maunay mo supply sa final bit depende sa imuhang generator nga gi-design. Okay? So let's say kani even parity. Okay? So when you say even parity, the parity bit make sure that the number of ones is an even number. Okay? Sige daw. Papuntang nato sa blackboard kasi mo volunteer. Truth table. Okay? So this will be unsa man pila ka input? Tulo. Then ay usa ka output.
So kung even ang number of ones or ones,
kung even ang number of ones sa imong input, so mo 1 siya. So it ensures nga mahimong even number. Truth table lang. Sige. So truth table. So natay pansiron. Mo simplify sa circuit. Musumat pa ba? Naikwan diri ba?
ay, try ko. Ito slow.
Makuli ay na. Nawangwang na pag-ayo. Ito sinubra na yun. Ikurugag ka mo ito yung sa
Mas pwede pagkamot system.
Magbugas, ikaw magpanglaba.
Yay!
Sige, kuskus o laba ba niya? Ikaw manugasan na yun.
Laba di ay. Laba di ay.
Yay!
Bulandri na ako dyan.
Grabing laba ba? Kayod gayong laba. Wala ba mo? Wala. Kung hatagan nga problem dahil last sem, no? Parity generator.
Wala perfect.
Ano naman ito lang, magsirapan. I-ikot dyan. Kaubos.
So, money siya. Even parity generator. So, money definition sa even parity, guys. A parity bit is adjusted so that the total number of ones in the code, including the parity bit, is even. So, asa man nagigamit ng parity bit? Okay, nag-again naman dyan mo data communication. So, may gamit na ng parity bit. Ay, wala. Hindi mo, okay? Okay. Sige. Sunod.
Sir, di ba i-filter yung kalunin?
Si Kwanto no.
Sigap.
Sige na, Gab.
Ikaw ang gab, volunteer.
Saan yung pagsunod, Gab?
Nakutana naman ako, sir.
Sige na. Ito ba kung di kayo ko? Maling answer. So, what will we be using to solve that problem? Algebraic solution or K-mapping?
Imap na lang pa.
Pwede try yung K-map.
Nga, tuloy na tanong.
Pwede natin mo ikaw ang gab, ganun yung talong ganun.
Wallet check. Dami raha daw.
Ano to, kabaw pa ba yung K-map, eh?
PPC. Hoy.
Hoy.
Yan, imagine na yung kabaw mo K-map. Ana lang siya, iksuwat yun. Kaya ang ino mo, atras yun. So, tanaw na to. Base diri, okay. Kanibay mag-generate.
Oy, asa na? Ubus.
Ay.
May ikuan dito? Okay.
Eraser.
Look. Nagkakuha na yung eraser.
Nancy, mana na? Oh, ano man eh?
Wala na ito. Wala na ito. Sorry, man ako. Naka-expo.
So, saan na siya pagsulban? So, obviously, piliin mo ma-pair because they are all isolated case. So, kung di mo sulbad o K-mapping, algebraic.
So, BC, A complement BC plus complement BC plus yun na, mga 1, tumoy, basiha. Mga 0 input. Sa alphabet yun, ang series. Table ng basiha.
Wala kang may
Saman, wala may mga
variable ka.
wala may pairing. Number of put isa.
Ato tempo lagi tagap.
Number table ng basiha. Okay.
Ang total ko ito.
Nadawa ang sa pag-asa ang liwan. A complement BC, A complement BC.
The one in
Tempo lagi tak siap. Atau tempo lagi ayan ang tema.
A complement BC.
Matag na nila ka, matag na nila ka.
Pero mana betul kan kimak juga?
Matag nila ka.
Joshua doon pa nila sila. Kawato ka ba?
Ning gawas na sa pamo.
Ito, i-trap po dito. So, A, B, C. Kung sa ganito ang first, A complement,
BC.
BC, nasunod.
A, B complement C.
A, B complement. Yeah.
A, B, C complement.
Si complement kasi.
A, B, C complement. Tama ba? So, sige na. 3.
Kuya, gusto na pa.
6. So,
Wala.
this.
Paano pa? Yang ini.
So, this becomes
Ano ang sa mga output ng buwan?
Menikal pa, menikal.
Pamutalan nila. Pamutalan nila. Wala pa ito ba?
sa may where A, B, C. So XNOR yung invert para mahimo XNOR. Ito, saan natin pag-extract mo sa PC? Ang reverse yan. Umut na kita nila. Yeah, ha? Masa nag-isol ba na ni? Even?
Even
Yes,
pa
sir.
rin.
Even.
Even parity.
Sakto ako na kuhan.
Even parity.
Yes, sir.
Sa iyo. Sa iyo. Kay even parity, appeal man ang bit, di ba? To make up the even numbers. So dapat, ang input ni mo dili, kung naitulog ka buong input, if the number of ones here is odd, the parity bit will ensure na mahimong
Even.
bunto,
Ay.
brad, bunto, ha?
Yung-
Hindi mako.
Hindi, abi lang sir, kung ang number of one sa input, mo ay mo.
Hindi mo ma-ensure mo na
Gitawag sa siya even parity bit kay
So,
CI
makapita
mo ensure, di ba? Ang total number of bits. Okay? Dari. Including the parity bit. Mao man ni si X, mao man ni atong parity bit. Okay? So dapat total number of bits is even.
So ang add number of one sa input, may mo one sir.
One siya.
So 0 lang.
0, 0, 1.
So 0 0 lang mo.
So,
0 lang mo sir. Babaw.
Kani,
Yes.
0. So 1, 2, 4, and 7.
So 8.
Hindi, gini buka.
Yeah.
A complement B 6.
So, ito. 1,
1, 2, 4, and 7.
2, 4,
7.
and 7. So from here, we can put the rate. Sa may po na to common. Sige, complement karon.
Sir, di ba kuhan na sir?
And the rate. So ang put the rate.
Or
So from here, this is easy complement. XOR na kani, XNOR, which is basically just equivalent to ingani. let
Next review po ng box.
x equal to c. So we have here
AF
a, then
A complement AF
x plus
X complement
A.
x complement, okay, which is x4.
So
A
AX
muna
or X.
is equal to a nasa
Or building. Hindi nasa
x4 x. Yeah, what is x? X is equal to b x or c.
Mura like katong concept, katong pinag-verse na point.
Okay? So the result is a x or b x or c. So a x or b x or c. Okay? So if we try to look here, ang implementation niya mao ni ang gigamitan og reduction operator. So sa reduction operator, as stated earlier, magsugod sa most significant kadung sa least significant. Okay? So ingani ra ang i-perform na niya, guys. Okay?
So kung answer kay
An niya man mura kag naa kay multiple input na an. Ang result is one input na an.
Ay, so kung answer, kung even yung zero. Kung even ang inputs kay ang output mo zero.
Kung even ang
Inputs.
zero output. Kay basically si output mo dira sa even parity bit ensures that the total number of ones is an even number. Kay isend mo na niya. Di mo na yung data ko. Error correction techniques, mga coming code.
Wala mo. Wala mo ka ng bakit mo to sa hardware sa one. Okay?
Very good.
Anyway, tapong
Ay,
so logical operators, wala na tayong problema nino.
May system din.
Okay? So take note, evaluate into a 1-bit value. Okay? So appeal si 0, 1, o x. I think wala tayong problema ni relational. Again, wala na tayong problema na equality. Tara.
Quality.
What's the difference sa equality operator o sa case equality? So as stated here, kung magamit ang equality, yields an x if either of the operand has an x or z value. So kung mag-perform kag equal ba nga si x o si z, ang ibutang niyang output is x. Or magingon kag si 1 equal ba ni x, the output is x. However, with case equality, iyaan na siyang i-check based on the value jud kung equal ba. Okay? So, if, let's say for example, nagamit kag z, i-equal nimo with another z, puro man sila z, so equal siya. Kung diri lang, sa equality operator, kung na kay z, yan na po kay z, ang output would be x. Okay?
Murag niya mas big.
Ano ba sila mas quick?
Kuhan, itong 7, string na 7, duwa lang equal ang gamit ng 1 ang isa. Tulo. So dapat same sila.
Sure dyan. Okay? So again, here is an example, guys, of how your 4-bit comparator is implemented. Okay? So, if you are not using the other operators, mag-solely rely lang mo sa bitwise operator, tulimbang ang labas. Okay? kay nganong motolimbang man. Okay? So likely you will be using this technique. Okay? Nga i-solve pa ninyo algebraically. Okay? Gamitan dayon og truth table and K-mapping. Nya, worst, since this is a 4-bit value, di magamitan og K-mapping. So
Lima plus.
algebraic. Nya ang algebraic isod ng matamatahon. So Queen maklas. Nya posible man daghag answer.
So,
Mag-metric. Ay, undang jud di ay. Kaluoy ko na ito itong mga CPU, mga quitter mo din. Okay? So anyway, again, we are yet to explore other other operators. Okay? So daghan pang other operators na pwede na to explore with regards ani guys. So padayon na natin next meeting. Next meeting, let's try to use the actual hardware na sa. Okay?
Ini gaman din sa ba? Ini Twitter sa.
Di lagi ikaw ba may
Oh,
sis
di-
pa sila long weekend. Nag-declare namang Tuesday ang idhal.
Just day. Ay, wala man.
Ganahan yung holiday.